Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And this time TP-Link has given me this a wall AP EAP775-Wall, and this is a Wi-Fi 7 wall plate AP. And what's interesting is it comes with a paintable cover, and let's do a very quick unbox about this. Okay, so let's start with this packaging. This is a very slim packaging, and it looks like a smartphone packaging for me. Okay, let's open it and see what's inside. Inside it has this AP with the cover. Later, let's open the cover and see what's the real device looks like. And then inside here, we got some accessories. This is the mounting kit guide, installation kit guide. The back plate, and we got some screw as well. Okay, and so this is all the content inside, and this is the device with the paintable cover. And now I have opened this. So this is the cover and this is the real device. Okay, I'm not going to talk about a lot of the technical spec about Wi-Fi 7. I just want to make a few remarks on my observation. Did you realize that what's special about this wall AP? If you can see, the back is flat. I think this is the first wall AP from TP-Link Omada that's featured a flat backside, so that it's easier for us to do the installation on the wall. There are a few installation type that you can refer here, and one of it I think is the most common scenario that we have is we install directly from the bottom here. We have the cable, so that we don't need to cut a hole, we don't need to do hacking, or we don't need to add a box to mount this unit. This unit can be installed close and tightly on the wall. And what makes these things really nice is the paintable cover. Okay, this paintable cover, you can paint it to suit the theme or the color that in the room. So this usually will be done, I think, at the more premium maybe office, hotel, and etc. And let's go to a little bit technical about this product. Okay, because it is a Wi-Fi 7 spec, so it comes with a 2.5 gig Ethernet port PoE In, which support up to PoE++. Okay, and it also comes with 4 Ethernet port, which one is the 2.5 Gigabit port, one is normal Ethernet Gigabit port, and 2 PoE port. This 2 PoE port is very interesting because you can either select either one of it as a PoE+ port, or enable 2 of it so that it will give a power up to PoE standard for 2 ports. And because of this is a Wi-Fi 7 enabled wall AP, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a speed test but because of my network environment limitation, my ISP package is only 500 Mbps on download and 100 Mbps on upload. So I'm not going to do the regular speed test. What I'm going to do is I will have an iPerf server set up on my host PC, which is connected through a Gigabit Ethernet to my router, and my router will connect to a PoE switch, and the PoE switch will connect to this EAP775-Wall. And what I will do is I will use my phone, my only Wi-Fi 7 capable device with me now is my Google Pixel 9. So I'm going to use it as the Wi-Fi client to connect to the Wi-Fi 7 AP, and we'll do a iPerf 3 local speed test. And let's go. So the test is very simple. What I do is I will have a line of sight from my device to the EAP775-Wall, and I will test it in various distance, and each distance I will do 5 times speed test, and then I will show you all the results. So you can pause it and have a look at the results and calculate the average speed that we get from the speed test results. So the first one is the test results that we did at 3 meters, and the second one is at the 7 meters, and the last one is at the 10 meters. Okay, so these are the results for you as a reference. All the tests achieve almost maximum speed for a Gigabit Ethernet environment. So yeah, Wi-Fi 7 indeed is fast enough to handle Gigabit speed. That's why it comes with a 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet port for the EAP itself. But unfortunately, I don't have any 2.5 Gigabit switches with me, and any devices that support 2.5 Gigabit with me on hand as well. That's why I am unable to do the 2.5 Gigabit test. But take it as a reference, so that you know that if you are in a Gigabit environment, you can expect to have a full speed under Wi-Fi 7 with a good AP and a compatible device. If you need to study the results in detail, you can pause the screen here. Let's move on. So, what is my opinion about this product? This is a very interesting product, a very solid Wi-Fi 7 Wall AP with a very slim build up in my opinion, plus with a flat back, which actually helps you to install it properly tight with the wall. And the plus point is with a full cover, a full paintable cover that can give additional aesthetic to the room or to the places that you're going to deploy this AP. So who might be needing this? In my opinion, maybe a premium hotel, presidential suite, or those are very high class residential area, and maybe some of it, in my opinion, maybe like a co-working space that need the features for the Wi-Fi 7 to reduce interference, but with also fast speed and wider coverage. And maybe some other scenario that I'm thinking of, live stream studio. Yeah, so this might be a very good option for them to deploy. So what is the limitation in my opinion? Well, to fully utilize the feature or to the performance of this device, we need to have a Wi-Fi 7 capable client, which I think for most of the regular user, they might not be having that. And for me, example, even though I'm kind of like tech enthusiast in a way, currently the only devices that I have that support Wi-Fi 7 is only my Google Pixel and my iPhone, 2 phones. My tablet, my laptop, those are all not support Wi-Fi 7. So if you're the person that really like to have on top of the technology and you're willing to invest and upgrade your gadgets to Wi-Fi 7 capable, this is a very interesting choice for you. If not, well, then this might not really suit you. But anyhow, Wi-Fi 7 technology it indeed helps us to overcome a lot of the Wi-Fi challenges or difficulties that we once have during you know, the 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz area. So I believe this is the future. Just that let's look forward for the adoption to be higher, and let's hope also for the device manufacturer to quickly adopt the Wi-Fi 7 standard on their devices. And at the end of the day, every one of us we can enjoy the benefits of Wi-Fi 7. So if you're interested in this product, yeah, as always, please go to Google. You can search for Omada EAP775-Wall, or you can go to omadanetworks.com to find out more about this product. And that's all for this video, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.